Hello, my name's Jim. This is my wife Janet Lang, and we're from Las Vegas, Nevada. This unit has a lot of possibilities for different types of activities, whether you want to use it just for storage or you actually want to live here for a while in your RV. And they're very gracious about all the RV hookups, the 50 amp services for your RV.
Being able to be here all the time. Actually, it's Lake Havasu. As most people know, it gets very hot here. The space that we have for our fifth wheel is covered, so we'll be able to enjoy the summers, I believe, a little bit more than what we have in the past.
We're looking forward to a great association with all the people here and making good use of our new facility and enjoying life.
Hi, I'm Jenny Chabones and I'm a real estate broker out of Orange County, California with over 14 years in the real estate business. I'm at Riverbound Custom Storage and RV Park today for their first event and it was absolutely amazing. This place is so unique and there is nothing out there like it, so you guys have to check it out.
Hey, Dustin Runyon here. What an incredible event we had today here out at Riverbound. We had over 150 hot rods, beautiful cars, over 200 people, catered from La Vida Dolce, a bunch of energy out here, and it was just what an incredible day. If you came out today, thank you so much. If you brought your car out, thank you so much. It was just an amazing day. Thanks for checking out the video. If you have any questions regarding Riverbound, please feel free to give us a call, 928-412-3570. Again, 928-412-3570. Thank you so much.